best affiliate marketing websites for beginners. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, we will be diving into the world of affiliate marketing programs that can help you find the best platform to boost your earnings. Now, I'm going to be talking about 5 basic affiliate marketing platforms that I have used in the past and what are the pros and cons of all of these platforms. So let's get into it. Now, the first platform I have is Amazon Associates. So kicking off with Amazon Associates, it's one of the largest names out there. You've already heard of Amazon, and Amazon Associates allows you to promote any Amazon product or link any product, and whenever someone goes ahead and purchases via that link, or even any purchase that they make 24 hours after they used your link to get to Amazon, will be credited to you. Now, it's one of the giants in affiliate marketing with Amazon's immense product range and brand trust. It is a go-to for many marketers. Their commission structures, however, do vary based on different categories, but their higher conversion rates are a massive plus. Keep in mind that some of the commissions that you might get with Amazon products can be pretty low for trending and basic products. However, if you take a look at some of the more unpopular niches, the commissions on that are higher. Now, moving on to our next platform, and that is ClickUp. So ClickUp focuses on digital products such as ebooks, courses, and softwares. They offer a really good commission rate. So their commission rates are super generous. Sometimes they can be even upwards of 75%, and that is fantastic for those seeking a niche product with a high commission potential. And the ease of getting started over here is also pretty amazing. With Amazon, you do have to sign up, you do have to show to Amazon that, hey, I can actually promote these products. So if I open up Amazon and show you guys how Amazon Associates works, you get a site stripe and you can pick out any product you want and get a link to that. However, ClickBank has a certain category or certain inventory of products, and you can choose anyone you want to promote and you can promote them however. To be able to sign up for Amazon Associates, you do need to show a website or some kind of evidence for Amazon to know that you can promote their product properly. Now, moving on to CJ Affiliate. So CJ Affiliate is a platform that boasts a vast network within numerous brands. It covers a diverse product category and service and has access to top tier brands, and also has advanced reporting tools that are some of its major highlights. Plus, their deep linking capabilities can be a game changer. Now, the best part about this is that you can see it is trusted by the world's largest brands. So you have potential to promote some really amazing and popular products that are not just a small tiny book or a small e-course. It is something that people can recognize, and recognizable products sell a whole lot more easily. You can get started very simply on their platform, and if you take a look at their partnerships, they do partnerships with advertisers, publishers, agencies, and influencers. So you can really find a niche that suits you, you can find a product that suits you, and can be one of the more likable products, or can be one of the more associative products with you if you are building a personal brand as well. Now, next up on our list is Share a Sale. So Share a Sale is another known player with its user-friendly interface in the affiliate marketing zone. It offers a wide range of merchants and products, especially focusing on niche markets and unique items. The platform's simplicity combined with a diverse product catalog is excellent, and they also have amazing customer support, making it a super appealing platform to get started with. So you can monetize your content, you can build multiple different websites to promote their products. You can also see they have all of your information. You can build your custom short links, all of that from here. And you have quite a few different niches to choose from as you would on CJ. So hence why Share a Sale is one of my top picks for a affiliate program. Now, moving on to our next platform, we have Rakuten. So Rakuten advertising stands out because it has a global presence and has partnerships with renowned brands. They offer advanced technology and tools for affiliates, making tracking reporting more innovative and more advanced. Now, for those eyeing international opportunities, this is a game changer. You can find international brands from multiple different countries. You have Benefit, you have Wine Access, Backcountry, and even larger brands working for Rakuten Advertising. They're looking to get started with, if you're looking to get started with a larger company or a larger brand name, then this is definitely going to be the platform for you. Now, all of these are amazing. However, I do have a bonus platform. Now, if you find all of these to be a bit too difficult and you're looking for something that you can do a whole lot more passively, and Digistore24 is also a marketplace that allows you to find multiple different types of products. They have product services and they have, a bunch of different things. Plus, you can take a look at the earnings that you can get and find products that have super high earnings, that have a really high percentage or payout. So you can make sure that you actually can get a affiliate that you don't have to promote too much. You can just let the affiliate be. And as long as you're getting a couple of sales per day, you have a very decent amount of payout. However, I would always recommend that you go for a more trusted partner like Amazon, CJ, or ShareSale or Rakuten, and ClickBank. Now, all of these are amazing platforms. However, we do need to compare these platforms to know which one you should get started with, especially if you're not someone that wants to invest a really long time into building affiliate marketing tools. Now, each one of these has its own strengths and weaknesses. Amazon Associates offers a wide product range, but it has lower commissions. However, ClickBank provides high commissions, but it focuses mainly on digital products. CJ Affiliate and ShareSale offer you diverse product options and user-friendly interfaces. However, Rakuten Advertising excels with global reach and technology and tools. So the best program for you is going to vary. If you're fine with promoting a digital item, then ClickBank is going to be amazing for you. If you're looking for a decent product as well as a decent tool, then CJ and ShareSale are a part of the major tools that you can use because these are very decent and well-balanced tools. If you're looking for a lot of products that you want to promote, even if the commissions are low, then Amazon Associates is going to be the top pick for those people simply because it has what you need to promote. It has a very popular and recognizable name that you can promote anywhere. Then, if you are looking for a more global reach and you want to have a platform that allows you access to multiple different markets, Rakuten Advertising is going to be the tool for you. But for most beginners, I recommend ShareSale and CJ Affiliates as they are pretty well balanced and you can find a good amount of balance for your structure, for your advertising, for how you want to promote affiliates and the type of affiliate you might be looking for. All of that can easily be found in these two platforms. So that wraps up our basic rundown of the top affiliate marketing programs. Now, finding the right fit is crucial, so drop a comment down below sharing your experiences and thoughts on these platforms, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips and guides on affiliate marketing. And I will catch you guys in the next video.